Good day guys, been here. Previously we did this exercise. It's a Pringle shape family. So today we're going to, because I couldn't find this file anywhere, so we're going to model it again, and we're going to add some glazing into it. Okay, so let's start. So first, let's create a generic model, adaptive. Okay, so first, place a point, make it adaptive. So now let's place a few more points. So point, draw on work plane, set work plane, pick the vertical work plane and place it on this adaptive point. So drag it this way. So this one, I'm going to give it a material, a parameter. Let's call it W1. Okay, so width 1. And another one, vertical work plane, and place it. This will be the opposite direction. So let's create a new parameter. Let's call it n-w1 and OK and OK. So go to family types. Negative w1 equals negative w1 and OK. So now let's place more points. Draw work plane, set work plane, pick the other vertical work plane, place it on point 1. Drag it this way. This time, let's create W2 instance. OK. Another point, draw work plane, set work plane, pick this work plane, place it on the point 1 again. So drag it the other direction, and this will be negative W2 instance. OK and OK. Go to family types. Negative W2 equals negative W2. OK. So now we need more points. Okay, so set work plane. So you pick the vertical, use your tab key, so this one, and place it on the point. So you will see the warning because you're placing the point on a normal point. If you place a point on an adaptive point, you won't see the warning. Okay, so the warning is actually telling you that you did it correctly. Okay, so good. So this one will be the other direction, and it will be negative W2 and OK. So what's this one? So this one will be W2. Okay. So two more points. So tab, this one, click OK. This one, go W2. Okay, point, draw work plane, set work plane, tab, place, and OK. So this one will be negative W2. So now we have 9 points. Okay, so we need some height. Another point, set work plane. So this time pick the horizontal work plane. So this one. Okay, and place it on the point. Okay, select this point, drag it up. Create a new parameter. Let's call it H instance. OK and OK. So another one, draw our work plane, set work plane, pick the work plane, and then place it on this point. And then this one equals H. Okay, so we also need another point on this adaptive point and drag it up. So this will be half of the H. I'm going to call it H. Okay, OK, go family types, H equals H divided by 2. So OK, so now we have all these points. We can start to create the reference lines. So select these 3 points and create a reference line. Another 3 points, spline, reference line. 1, 2, 3, spline, reference line. Okay, so now select all these 3 reference lines, create form. So this will be the form, the face. So now we need to cut cut the shape. Okay, so but before that, let's create the shapes, the ellipse. Okay, so let's go to the top view. So create a reference line. So use the ellipse and draw our plan and pick the horizontal work plan. So this one, okay, and then draw this ellipse. So you can just roughly draw it like this, and then you will see we have all these temporary dimension, temporary dimension. Okay, so we can just click on them and make them permanent. So this one will equal W2. So let's just link this to W2. Okay, and this one, let's link it to W1. Okay, so now we need to split this into two. Okay, so SL, let's just split it here, split here. So tab, select one of the half ellipse, drag this back to this point. So, and then select this one, drag this point back to here, and then drag this to here, and drag to here. So now let's have a look at this one. So this one's being controlled by these two parameter. Let me just change the scale a little bit. Yeah, that's better. So these two, good. Oops. Tab, select. Yeah, so they are good. So tab, select this one. Let's add add these two dimensions to them, and I'll see if I can add. Nope, over constraint. So maybe we don't need this. Let's try this one. W2. Yep, doesn't say anything, so I'll just leave it. Maybe I'll just lock this. Let's have a test. Okay, so let's have a test. So 4 meter. Oops, 4 meter. Yep, good. This one maybe 6 millimeter. Yep. All good. So now we're going to, if you type HR, so we just need to cut the corner, the full 1, 2, 3 corner of this face. Okay, so H again. Let's create the void. So we need an extra spline, so like this. Okay, so select this point together with this, create a spline. Okay, and then control select this one, so which means you select this spline together with this point, and oh hell, sorry, wrong one, not this one. Control Z, select this spline together with this one, spline, and select this together with this point, spline, and select this. Oh, sorry, we have this spline selected. So just check this one, so it becomes a reference line, and together with this one, but not this one. Okay, so tab and control select. So now you select this like a moon shape and create a void. Okay, so actually this face won't go that way, so we don't really. So first let's create this void. So click on the one on the left, and then we just need to change this to 0 because this void, this face will never go that way, so it's only going to go up. So let's select this one and then lock it onto the height. Okay, so that's the highest point. We don't need to be higher than this. Okay, so now that's one void. Let's do the other one. So select this point together with this point, spline together with this. Oh no, sorry, not this one. Shift deselect and Control select this one, spline, and Control select this one, spline, and change it to reference line, and tab, Control select, and create a void on the left, change it to 0, link to H. So now we have two void. So HR, now we can cut the face void. So now this is the shape. Okay, so let's have a test of this height. Let's try 3 meter. Okay, so that's very nice. Chip. Okay, now let's just add a little bit edge to it. So we're going to create a point, draw on face, and place it anywhere on this edge. Okay, and then let's create a reference, a circle, draw on world plane, set world plane, pick this world plane of this point, and let's draw a circle, maybe 100 or 200. Now select, actually let's select the edge first. So move your cursor onto this edge. So tab, not this one, again tab, this one. Okay, so you will see joined solid geometry edge. So click, select this edge, and once again this one. So tab, so Control select, go here, tab, Control select, this one, tab, Control select. So now we have full edges selected, and then together with Control select this one, profile, create form. So now that's it. Okay, and the next step is, so maybe you think this is quite boring, we can make some panels, make some like curtain panels, so you can tab, select this face. So you will see there's no divide surface here, so that's fine. Let's do it again. Tab, select, not this one, tab, select, hang on, let's do it again. Tab, select, not this one, tab, select, yes, this one. See? So if you tap once, you select this face, but there's no divide surface. But if you tap twice, you can divide surface. Okay, that's quite interesting actually. So okay, so for this one you can so for example you can just use maximum spacing, maybe let's say 3 meter maximum by 1.5 meters maximum. Maybe I'll change 90 degrees. Or even you can play with all these grids. I don't know what they are. Yeah, 0. Let's change back to 0. Okay, so and then you can also use let's try some, maybe try this one, checkboard. Okay, so what you can do is you can just quickly create a pattern based family. So for example this one, I'll just very quickly place one point, draw a face on this edge, and I'll create a profile. So I'll use reference, circle, set world plane, pick this world plane and draw this. So I'm going to just make it 100 or maybe 75. So now select all 4 of these reference lines together with this profile, create form. So this will be the frame. And also our HH, select these 3 reference lines again. I'll create a form. So this time I'll just create a face, and I'll just give it a material glass. Okay, so HR. So now this will be the panel, and load this into this. Select this, and so you can change this to, oh, actually, that's fine. We created a rectangular, so which means it's a full panel. Okay, so if let's try. So I'll tab select this one and edit family. So I'll see if I can just change this to the checkboard. Okay, that's fine. Delete. So which means we need to just need to do it again. So I'll quickly create another one. Okay, so 175. So first I'll create a face, and I'll give it glass material, and also I'll create another one. So select our 4 reference line together with this one, create a form. So this will be the frame. Load this back in, override. Now this one becomes a checkboard. So which means it will be like this. So you can have a play of all the different patterns. It's quite interesting. Okay, so so this is one of them. So you will see it's actually all flat panels, so which makes it not very smooth. But if you reduce, so for example, if we increase the size, or sorry, reduce the size, which means increase the number, we will get more curved shape. Okay, so now this is one of the options. So actually, let me just show you if how to use this family in the project. Because this is an adaptive family, you can use it like a face-based family. So for example, if I create a wall here, and then if you load this family into the project, you will be able to just place it on any. So see, place on face. You can place it on face, and you can place it on any face. You can place this, so like this. Okay, so it will be like a face-based family. So you can also place it on, so for example, on top of the wall, something like that. Okay, so you can also place it, just use place on work plane and place on the level. Okay. Okay, so now let's go back to this family. So I'll delete this pattern, and also you can manually create some void on this face. So let me show you. So you can just place a point, draw on face, and place it on this face, and then you can just create a so for example, circle, draw work plane, set work plane, pick the work plane of this point. So this one, okay, so this work plane. So tab, click, and so for example, you can create a circle like this. Let me try if I can copy this. Okay, so and I'll see if I can. Yep, I can pick new host. Oops. I'm not sure if it works. Nope, doesn't work. Let's try again. Pick new face. Pick face. Yes. So you can also do this. You can copy. So you can, for example, you can have multiple copy of the point with this circle, and you can select pick this select this point, pick new host, choose this face and replace it. Okay, so place it under this face, and then you can change maybe size, something like that. So this one you can, let's do it again, place another one here. Okay, so now select this and you can create for a void. So pick the left on the one on the left and copy this depth to on the other direction, so it will cut, make sure it will cut this face. Okay, so let's do it again. Void on the left one, just copy this to the other direction. So void left one, Control C, Control V, this one, void the one on the left, Control C, Control V, this one, void left, Control C, Control V. So now you will see we quickly create some void onto this surface, and you can always move the you can always move the point. Oops, what's going on here? Maybe I'll use keyboard. Yes, let's. Oh, what's going on here? No, I don't know. I have no idea. Come on, don't go away. Go back. Looks like it's not happy. Let's Control Z. Okay, so I'll just leave it here. Okay, so now if I load this into the project and override, and let's have a look in 3D view. So this is it. Okay, so this is the, it's still parametric, except these dots. You can make them parametric, but I'm just example. Show you some example. You can create, all different kind of void if you want to. So, and then if you change this size, and turn that to shade. So, oops, too big. Yeah, because this this frame is placed onto an edge which is not a reference line, so it's possible to break. Okay, so yeah, but so okay, so that's it. This time I'll save this file. I'll make sure I save this family and upload this family so you can have a look. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.